In this video, I'm going to show you a method you can use to automate your channels using Claude Code. For example, with this channel, I made more than $25,000 in the last month doing exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, with the same workflow, which is something that's working really well for a ton of people. And it's a really simple method to basically automate all the videos of your channel without any kind of problem and in the simplest way possible. My channel is in this niche, and I'm going to show you how I'm automating this channel. What I'm using is Claude Code and Remotion, which basically Remotion is a tool with which you can make motion graphics and animations, and we're going to automate all of that with Claude Code, which is going to make the animations. And then we're also going to automate it with the Pexels API, which is going to allow us to add the stock videos. Because this automation is good for niches where you need stock videos, simple videos. If you need more realistic videos, then you'd have to use another type of programs that we'll talk about later. Now, I'm going to show you this workflow, which is pretty simple. It's really easy. The only thing you have to do is create a folder. For example, I have my folder here. This prompt you're going to have below this video so you can download it. And then you're going to have to create a text file where you put the script of your video, and then another text file where you put your Pexels API. For that, to put the Pexels API, you go to Pexels, then you go to the section where your API is, you copy the API, and then you create a text file, and inside that text file, you put the API. It's pretty simple. Then another thing you have to do is put the audio of your video. In my case, I'm going to put the audio of my video, for example, and that's it. Basically here, as you can see, well, I already have the audio, the prompt, the script, and the API. So now I can already make the video. For that, you're going to have to open Claude Code, which you can do by right-clicking, then clicking here where it says Open in Terminal. Then now, you're going to have to put the command to bypass the permissions so that Claude isn't asking you all the time whether you're going to accept the changes or not. For that, you copy this command and you paste it right here, and it's going to open. So when you already have everything in the folder, when you want to make a new video, you'd only have to change the script and the audio, nothing else. So there, the only thing you have to do is open Claude inside this folder, and then you're going to drag this prompt and send the prompt, and that's it basically. Then you're going to have to wait about 30 minutes, about 40 minutes, and what Claude is going to do is basically connect to your Pexels API. It's also going to install Remotion if you don't have it installed and all that. Really important before anything to have Node installed, because if you don't have Node installed, Remotion isn't going to work. So Claude isn't going to be able to make the video. So you're going to have to go to the Node website. And here you're going to be able to install Node to be able to make the videos with Claude Code. It's really important that you install Node. In fact, it's one of the first steps. Then basically you send the prompt to Claude, and you're just going to have to wait for it to finish. Then it's going to open a preview like this one, where here you're going to be able to see basically the whole video. It's going to add the animations with Remotion and everything, and then it's going to add the stock clips. It's going to add subtitles. It's going to add basically everything so you can automate the video and publish it on YouTube directly. The animations are optimized with the same branding and everything. Even if you don't like something, you can tell it to change it or something like that, or to make the animations in a different way, or to keep a style, or whatever you want. And Claude can make changes in real time. Then when you basically have the whole video done, and you have everything done, the only thing you have to do is click here, where it says render, and the video is going to start rendering entirely. In this case, it's a video of more than 16 minutes. And well, that's basically what you have to do. And this video you can already publish on YouTube. This is a workflow for stock clips. Then there are other types of workflows. And this is basically what I'm doing on my channel, where I made more than $25,200 in the last month. As you can see, it's pretty simple and doesn't require any skill. Remember that first, you have to install Claude Code if you don't have it installed. Also, Claude Code requires an active Claude subscription, so you're going to have to install Claude. For that, you can search any tutorial on YouTube on how to install Claude Code. And it's already pretty simple. And it's what I'm doing on this channel.